Are you looking for the best enclosed 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the best enclosed 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. QIDI Max 3 Speedy Giant. If you're in the market for a professional-grade 3D printer with a generous build volume and rapid printing capabilities, the QIDI Max 3 is a top contender. When we first got our hands on the QIDI Max 3, its remarkable print speed was immediately noticeable. Jobs that used to take hours were done in a fraction of the time, without sacrificing the detail or stability. It's been especially handy for rapid prototyping, allowing us to iterate designs more quickly than before. The versatility in materials means we can tackle nearly any project that comes our way. From durable ABS for functional parts to flexible TPU for niche applications, this printer handles them all with ease. Our experimentation with high-performance materials like carbon fiber-infused filament delivered exceptional results, proving the machine's worth in a professional setting. A crucial advantage of the QIDI Max 3 is its fully enclosed design, offering consistent temperature control and reducing warping significantly. This feature has been a game-changer for our long-term prints. Additionally, the auto-leveling function made setup a breeze, so we could focus on designing rather than troubleshooting. In our experience, the QIDI Max 3 is a robust and reliable 3D printer. It strikes an impressive balance, accommodating both the swift pace that professionals demand and the flexibility that creative projects often require. Its substantial size does require dedicated space, and it demands a higher initial investment. Yet, once installed, it becomes an indispensable asset in our 3D printing arsenal. At number 2. Adventurer 5M Pro. If you're looking for a reliable and speedy enclosed 3D printer, the Adventurer 5M Pro should be on your shortlist. Our encounter with the Adventurer 5M Pro has left us quite impressed with its user-friendly setup. The auto-leveling feature worked like a charm, providing a steadfast foundation for every project we tackled. We found ourselves admiring the finished prints, each layer laid down with precision. Its swift heating nozzle and camera monitoring brought a new level of ease to our 3D printing. We appreciated how quickly we could transition from setup to printing, a real game-changer for our productivity. The built-in camera was handy for checking in on prints without disturbing the workspace. Last but not least, the Adventurer 5M Pro's silent operation was a huge plus for us. We could work on other tasks undisturbed as it went about its business. Although the networking gave us a slight pause during the initial setup, the subsequent print quality and the convenience of the automatic shutdown made up for this hiccup. At number 3. QIDI Q1 Pro. We think the QIDI Q1 Pro is a solid choice for those who value precision and ease of use in 3D printing. Setting up the QIDI Q1 Pro, we noticed its readiness to print right out of the box. Its auto-leveling feature took away the grunt work of getting started, ensuring that our first print adhered firmly to the bed with no complications. Its Core XY system made the speed and acceleration of the prints quite impressive while maintaining admirable precision. The active chamber temperature control caught our attention for another reason. We printed with ABS, a material notorious for warping, and observed a significant improvement in print quality and layer adhesion. The printer's enclosed design not only allowed us to maintain a consistent temperature but also reduced our worries with toxic fumes, making it feel much safer to use indoors. When we experimented with various filaments, the QIDI Q1 Pro didn't flinch. The support for a multitude of materials, including advanced ones like carbon fiber, paired with a high-temperature nozzle, meant that our creativity wasn't stifled by the printer's capabilities. We did, however, have to acknowledge the printer's weight as a factor to consider for those who might need to move it frequently, and the build volume could be restrictive for those needing larger print sizes. Despite these points, we confidently regard the Q1 Pro as a robust contender in the enclosed 3D printer market, perfect for users who need a reliable machine that produces high-quality prints with minimal fuss. At number 4. Monoprice Voxel. While it may not dazzle with bells and whistles, the Monoprice Voxel stands out for its practicality and ease of use, making it a solid purchase for new enthusiasts and seasoned hobbyists alike. We've had the pleasure of getting our hands on the Monoprice Voxel 3D printer, and it's a machine that impresses with its user-centered design right out of the gate. One of the standout features that we appreciated was the quick change nozzle. It's a game changer for those who've endured the often tedious traditional nozzle replacements. Another aspect where the Voxel won us over was with the heated removable build plate. This design choice means that after long printing sessions, the removal of objects is satisfyingly simple. We found ourselves swapping out build plates with fresh projects with near zero downtime, which kept our creativity flowing unabated. Yet, no product is without its caveats. We noticed that the Voxel's build volume might restrict those looking to print larger models. The included camera's quality didn't quite meet our expectations either. It was adequate for quick checks, but for detailed remote monitoring, we had to look elsewhere. Another note for potential users, we found that regular maintenance was key to keeping the Voxel running smoothly, more so than some of its competitors. In sum, our time with the Monoprice Voxel revealed a printer that strikes a commendable balance between usability and functionality. It's a solid contender in the enclosed 3D printer market that asks for regular attention but rewards with consistently good prints and an accessible user experience.